It was a frightening night for Spotty. She's still vulnerable, so she makes a smart move. Bravely approaching Ginger, she attempts to appease her. Grooming is a way to repair relationships. But Ginger is not interested in making friends. And neither are Ginger's older offspring. The big cousin knows Spotty's defenseless. She plays nasty. Even Ginger's newborn twins become aggressive, picking on the chubby cub. Spotty's high status can't protect her from the low-ranking gang. Their powerful jaws could do serious damage. Spotty's twin brother tries to help her, eventually weighing the bully down. With chaos in the ranks, even her chubby little cousin tries to dominate her. Spotty's struggling to defend her rank. Just in time, the hunting party returns. Everything changes as Ginger and her family go into retreat. Spotty's aggressor is suddenly submissive. Mosie's dominant posture reminds Ginger of her low status. Amai's arrival has an instant effect on Spotty's confidence too. She puts her chubby cousin back in her place. It's a small step in the right direction that won't go unnoticed by her passing mother. As night falls, a herd of antelope gathers close to the den. Amai and the clan seize the opportunity for a local hunt. This time, followed by Ginger. She can't leave her cubs for long, but it could be a quick strike. A hyena's heart is extra large, giving it the stamina to exhaust prey. But the agile antelope are faster uphill, an escape to open ground. The hunters move on, leaving the cubs home alone once more. With only bats and other strange nocturnal creatures for company, night at the termite den is intriguing. Spotty and her brother explore. But it's dangerous to get distracted. Ginger's big cubs aren't done with bullying. Spotty heads for the burrow, but they can follow her in. Their attack on Spotty is relentless. The struggle for dominance is taking its toll. Spotty's beginning to slip down in rank. Now 10 months old, time's running out for her to assert herself. The Nsefu pride has made a kill 2 miles from the den. Amai and the rest of the clan have been trailing them all night, always ready to snatch and grab. The lions know their game. But Ginger hasn't eaten for days and is desperate. One lioness still has something worth taking, and Ginger homes in. But she doesn't go unnoticed. Wounded by the body blow, Ginger flees. The lions aren't willing to share, but they're wasteful, leaving up to 40% of their kill behind. Their loss is the hyena's gain. The meanest of scraps make a welcome meal. It's taken Ginger hours to recover after the lion attack. She's injured and has been left behind by the rest of the clan. At home, her cubs are waiting expectantly. Finally, in the late afternoon, Ginger makes it back to the den. They suckle eagerly, though she's had nothing to eat herself. There are bloodstains on her thigh, a puncture wound from a lion's claw. She'll need time to heal before she can hunt again. Until then, her big cubs will also go hungry. With her bullying cousins subdued, Spotty has a chance to start building positive relationships. She and her chubby cousin are both high-ranking females. They need to stop fighting each other and come together as a team. Spotty has learned from Amai that allies provide vital support to an alpha. This could be the start of a lifelong friendship. But Spotty also needs to confront her aggressors. The opportunity is about to arise. Spotty's found a warthog's tail. It's the last piece of meat from one of her mother's kills, brought back to the den for her. Her stomach acids digest anything from bones to teeth and hair, so it's a valuable delicacy and a prized possession. As the highest-ranking cub, it's hers by right. But Ginger's starving cub is determined to steal. It's a painful bite, but Spotty refuses to back down. She's fighting for her status. It's only a scrap, but her future is at stake. Spotty grips tighter. To be an alpha, she has to be a winner. It's now or never. At last, Spotty's asserted herself. It may not look like much, just a mouthful of bone and hair, but this victory is a defining moment in Spotty's life. It's the first time she stood up to a bigger hyena and proved her dominance. She's the youngest daughter of the alpha, the heir apparent. She's beginning to show it. Life in the hyena clan is brutal. The constant battle for status ensures only the toughest survive. But this little top-ranking hyena is smart and resilient. With enough of a mean streak